The world is witnessing an increase in extreme weather events. Even as we see heavy rainfall and floods submerge cities in Maharashtra, at least 33 people have died in the central Chinese province of Henan. The region saw what has been dubbed as the worst floods in 1,000 years. On Tuesday, July 20, the Zhangjiao province in Henan received one-third of its annual rainfall in just 1 hour. China's National Meteorological Observatory said the maximum precipitation recorded in Zhangjiao in the last few days has reached 201.9 mm per hour, breaking the previous record of 198.5 mm in 1975. Similar unusual spells of heavy to very heavy rainfall causing severe floods are being seen all over Asia and Europe. There were flash floods in Dharamshala. At least 33 people died in Mumbai due to floods and heavy rains. 65 people were reported killed by lightning strikes and thunderstorms in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. A week ago, many parts of Germany received 2 months' worth of rain in just 24 hours, leading to floods. More than 150 died in Germany and Belgium. At least 113 people died in flash floods in Indonesia and East Timor in April. Over 70 instances of floods and landslides were recorded in just June 2021. It's not just floods. Storms, cyclones, wildfires, and heat waves across the world have become frequent headlines. Why is this happening? Scientists and climate experts are calling these extreme weather events. These are triggered by climate change induced by global warming. Petteri Thalas, chief of the Geneva-based World Meteorological Organization, said extreme weather events and natural disasters will only continue to rise, saying climate change is the root cause of the torrential rainstorms and deadly floods ravaging Europe this summer. A July 19 research paper published by University of California shows that global warming is intensifying precipitation. The world is getting hotter and carbon sinks that absorb carbon dioxide are becoming less and less effective due to deforestation. Many more such studies can be cited, but the science is simple. Warmer air carries more moisture, meaning that more water is released eventually. But what are the consequences? India, according to the Global Climate Risk Index 2021, was the 7th most climate-affected country in 2019 out of a list of 180 countries. This led to the displacement of 1.8 million people. Research shows that lower-income countries are at higher risk because they have less resources to cope with the increasing extreme weather events, a federal report.